In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default picture resolution for inserted images in PowerPoint. This simple tweak helps you control image clarity and file size, so your slides look sharp without becoming too heavy to share. Start by opening PowerPoint and heading to the File menu. Select Options to open the PowerPoint Options window, then click Advanced. We're going to work in this Advanced section. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Image Size and Quality. This is where PowerPoint keeps the controls that affect how images are handled when you add them to your slides. At the top of this section, there's a drop-down that lets you choose where your changes apply. You can select the current presentation if you only want these settings here, or choose All New Presentations to make this the default for anything you create in the future. Picking All New Presentations is useful if you want consistent results across your projects. Next, check the box that says, Do not compress images in file. This prevents automatic compression that can subtly reduce image quality. Keep in mind, disabling compression can increase the file size, especially if you work with large photos or many graphics. If you need to email your deck or upload it, you may prefer to leave compression on or use a lower resolution, which we'll set next. Below that, you'll see Default Resolution. This controls the quality of images when you insert them. High Fidelity preserves the original image data for the best possible quality, but it typically creates the largest files. Choose 330 ppi if you plan to print your slides or need crisp output on high-resolution screens. For most on-screen presentations, 220 ppi is a great balance, producing clear visuals while keeping file sizes reasonable. Pick the option that best matches how your slides will be viewed and shared. Once you've made your selection, click OK to save. From now on, any images you insert will follow these rules automatically. You don't have to do anything special. Just insert pictures as you normally would, and PowerPoint will apply your chosen resolution and compression behavior behind the scenes. One important note: these settings don't retroactively change images that are already in the file. If you want existing images to follow the new defaults, remove and reinsert them so PowerPoint can apply your updated preferences. That's it. You've set a reliable default that keeps your slides looking the way you want, with control over both quality and file size.